cool if you ask me. I like it. Alright, boys. Dude, smoke another one.
This is what
vaping
75 years in the industry looks like.
That's what happens when you do that fairy dust.
Come on.
Out here doing a paver driveway. Alright guys, this is the run through. We just got this concrete poured. We're going to do pavers all the way through. Ginger Billy. Huh? You ever watch that dude Ginger Billy? Ginger Billy. He's on like YouTube. Funny dude.
I can't hear you.
Ginger Billy. Oh, who did that?
What?
Starts peeling.
You?
I know.
You made me fix these. Good job, buddy. Alright, you want to unload the dingo?
Sure, I'll do the sketchy.
Sketchy.
Be like that one guy in Goat Gang, unloading it, falls off, crushes his leg. Do you see that? Dude.
Oh.
Yeah, you didn't see that video?
What a Richard.
What are you doing, Richard?
What a Bob face.
Got the no exhaust. Parking brake. Dude, what's wrong with this thing? It's almost like the parking brake's stuck on or something.
No.
Like when you give it full throttle, it like bogs way down.
Yeah, I know, it's running weird, I told you.
Maybe you just need some good gas.
Alright, little guy, let's unload this.
Somebody put mixed in there.
Probably.
Tristan.
Dude, I own this city, dude. You know that?
Good thing I brought my grader.
Your what?
Dude, my Mexican shovel. Yeah, Victory Outdoors.
Oh,
You like that 50-50 grind with the grader?
Together, so any rental companies will help each other all the time.
Well, it's always good to have. And you're gonna GoPro it.
Oh yeah. We do like little YouTube stuff.
About our only way we'll make it, right?
Yeah. That's right. We know it's a whole new world of social media.
Oh yeah, and it's fun too, so we can show our customers all the videos and stuff.
Yeah,
and
yeah. It's great.
You excited?
Yeah, we're so excited. I'm looking at your little tractor. It fits in perfectly.
Skitty.
Skitty Bob way.
How many yards you get?
feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you...
Guys, making progress. So this is what it looks like. We have to make cuts right there. Making progress.
If I want it, gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not
made. We're about at the end. Kinda need it.
For what?
Do you have a screwdriver or something? Can you get it?
Yeah, little guy.
I need to clean where the ramps go. I ain't trying to fall off this thing.
Are you nervous?
What if it rolls on top of you? We'll be fucked. I'll just dump it.
Dude, should I turn it up a little bit?
No. forwards.
No way. Why?
Because I'm going to try to push a ramp in.
No, I would go backwards and that should have mouthed right through there.
Clean my spot. Dude, give me that. You're such a fucking cunt. There's fucking 6 inches of dirt in there. I'm surprised you don't get pulled and go to jail.
Get out of here. Out of all people, you would go to jail. Dude, 6 inches of dirt, you'll get pulled over and go to jail.
Well, I just don't want to
You're a fucking clown.
I just don't want to fall off this thing.
You won't. Your fat ass might break the weld.
That's what I'm saying. You got, look how much weld is left.
Yeah, because you...
Dude, you had me take your skid steer up these things.
You'd be okay.
Backwards? I knew I should have went forwards. Help me dig this out a little bit.
Yo.
Why won't it start?
Because it's upside down. Here, watch out.
What?
Watch out.
What do you mean it's upside down? That wraps her up. Dude, we're sweating out here. Don't forget to check out merch store. So this is the finished product. Pretty cool if you ask me. I like it. Nice. Bada boom, bada bing. Not bad for one day. Let's go. On to the next one.